So today we're headed to the flea market for the pop-up shop. I'm going to start using that word for when we go to the markets. But at any rate, so this is the trunk of my SUV. It's got the tables. You can't see them, but it has tables. It has two chairs. We have a bucket that I've showed in a previous video that has all of our stuff in it, that has our bags that we're selling exclusively at the pop-up shop. We have a bowl for candy. We have crates for height and some other boxes for height, some other things and all the good stuff. That's the supervisor. He's going to be using his camera to record today. So yeah, so we're headed there now. We're like really early, which is okay because this gives us opportunity to set up and make sure that it's the way we want it to be and we can breathe and get ourselves ready. So I will come back to you once we get there.